故事猫三国游记上集
The Three Kingdoms Adventures of Story Cat, Part 1. Story Cat presses the time machine button, but Zongzi Cow accidentally drops his snack.
故事猫按下时空机按钮，但粽子牛却不小心把手里的零食掉到了时光隧道里。
Story Cat presses the time machine button, but Zongzi Cow accidentally drops his snack. They arrive at the end of the Han Dynasty, and Zongzi Cow gets scared by a passing warhorse.
他们降落在汉朝末年，粽子牛立刻被一匹路过的战马吓得躲到故事猫身后。
They arrive at the end of the Han Dynasty, and Zongzi Cow gets scared by a passing warhorse. Story Cat explains that the emperor is weak and the country is in big trouble.
故事猫无奈地解释，这个时代的皇帝很软弱，整个国家都陷入了大麻烦。
Story Cat explains that the emperor is weak and the country is in big trouble. Suddenly, they see many angry people wearing yellow scarves on their heads.
突然，他们看到前方有许多头上绑着黄色头巾，看起来很生气的人。
Suddenly, they see many angry people wearing yellow scarves on their heads. Is this a yellow-themed fashion party? Zongzi Cow asks with a big smile.
这是黄色主题的时尚派对吗？粽子牛看着他们的头巾，笑嘻嘻地问。
Is this a yellow-themed fashion party? Zongzi Cow asks with a big smile. No. This is the famous Yellow Turban Rebellion. Story Cat pulls him back quickly.
才不是，这是著名的黄金之乱。故事猫赶紧一把将他拉了回来。
No. This is the famous Yellow Turban Rebellion. Story Cat pulls him back quickly. To protect themselves, local leaders all over the country start to build their own armies.
为了在乱世中保护自己，全国各地的地方领袖纷纷开始建立自己的军队。
To protect themselves, local leaders all over the country start to build their own armies. Story Cat points to a serious-looking man and says, "Look, that is the famous Cao Cao."
故事猫指着不远处一个神情严肃的人说：“看，那就是未来大名鼎鼎的曹操。”
Story Cat points to a serious-looking man and says, "Look, that is the famous Cao Cao." Zongzi Cow tries to run over and take a selfie with Cao Cao, but fails.
粽子牛兴奋地想跑过去和曹操拍张自拍，结果差点被路过的士兵当成可疑人物抓起来。
Zongzi Cow tries to run over and take a selfie with Cao Cao, but fails. Soon, a very cruel and powerful leader named Dong Zhuo takes over the capital city.
不久后，一个名叫董卓的残暴领袖攻占了京城，掌控了最高权力。
Soon, a very cruel and powerful leader named Dong Zhuo takes over the capital city. Dong Zhuo loves big dinners, and Zongzi Cow thinks they could be food buddies.
粽子牛看到董卓天天吃大餐，心想他们或许可以当个爱吃肉的好朋友。
Dong Zhuo loves big dinners, and Zongzi Cow thinks they could be food buddies. Stay away from him. He is very mean and everyone hates him. Story Cat screams.
离他远一点，他非常残暴，每个人都讨厌他。故事猫急得大喊。
Stay away from him. He is very mean and everyone hates him. Story Cat screams. They run away into a quiet village and discover a beautiful peach garden.
他们一路上连滚带爬地逃跑，最后来到了一个开满桃花的美丽花园。
They run away into a quiet village and discover a beautiful peach garden. There, 3 brave men are making a special promise to save the country together.
在那里，他们正好撞见3个勇敢的人正在发誓要团结起来拯救百姓。
There, 3 brave men are making a special promise to save the country together. Their names are Liu Bei, Guan Yu, and Zhang Fei.
这3个人就是历史上著名的刘备、关羽和张飞。
Their names are Liu Bei, Guan Yu, and Zhang Fei. Zongzi Cow stares at Guan Yu's super long beard and asks how he washes it every day.
粽子牛盯着关羽那条超长的招牌胡子，好奇地凑过去问他每天都要怎么洗胡子。
Zongzi Cow stares at Guan Yu's super long beard and asks how he washes it every day. Guan Yu proudly ignores him, but the kind Liu Bei gives Zongzi Cow a warm smile.
关羽骄傲地不理他，倒是仁慈的刘备对着粽子牛露出了温暖的微笑。
Guan Yu proudly ignores him, but the kind Liu Bei gives Zhang Zikao a warm smile. After the bad leader Dong Zhuo dies, the country becomes even more chaotic.
在坏首领董卓死后，失去控制的各路军阀开始更加疯狂地争夺领土。
After the bad leader Dong Zhuo dies, the country becomes even more chaotic. Cao Cao becomes very powerful because he uses the young emperor's name to give orders.
曹操变得越来越强大，因为他把年轻的皇帝接在身边，借着皇帝的名义向天下发号施令。
Cao Cao becomes very powerful because he uses the young emperor's name to give orders. He wins a huge war at Guandu by burning his enemies' food supplies.
接着，曹操在著名的官渡之战中烧毁了敌人的粮仓，成功以少胜多。
He wins a huge war at Guandu by burning his enemies' food supplies. Now Cao Cao rules the north, so Liu Bei urgently needs a smart person to help him.
现在曹操彻底统治了北方，势单力薄的刘备急需一位聪明的军师来帮助他。
Now Cao Cao rules the north, so Liu Bei urgently needs a smart person to help him. Liu Bei goes to a small house in the mountains 3 times to meet Zhu Zhilian.
刘备展现出极大的诚意，前后去了3次山里的小茅草屋，只为了拜访隐居的诸葛亮。
Liu Bei goes to a small house in the mountains 3 times to meet Zhu Zhilian. Zhu Zhilian shares a great plan to divide the world into 3 parts to keep the peace.
诸葛亮提出了一个绝妙的计划，建议将天下分成3个部分来互相牵制。这就是著名的隆中对。
Zhu Zhilian shares a great plan to divide the world into 3 parts to keep the peace. Zhang Zikao wakes up from his nap and asks, divide into 3, like slicing a pizza. Can I have the biggest slice?
粽子牛刚好从午睡中醒来，揉着眼睛问，分成3份，就像切披萨一样吗？我可以要最大块的吗？
Zhang Zikao wakes up from his nap and asks, divide into 3, like slicing a pizza. Can I have the biggest slice? Story Cat knocks his head and says, no. It's the 3 kingdoms, and a giant river battle is coming.
故事猫敲了一下他的头说，才不是吃的，是3个国家，而且上集就要在这里结束，因为一场超级江面大战即将爆发了。
Story Cat knocks his head and says, no. It's the 3 kingdoms, and a giant river battle is coming.
夏商周秦汉，三国晋南北朝，隋唐五代宋元明清。夏商周秦汉，三国晋南北朝，隋唐五代宋元明清。夏商周秦汉，三国晋南北朝，隋唐五代宋元明清。隋唐五代宋元明清。